Can the pink stuff floor cleaner remove bacteria? Let's test it. I had a Patreon member reach out to me and asked me to test this floor cleaner. So the first thing I do want to note, on the bottle of the pink stuff floor cleaner, nowhere does it say it can remove bacteria. But since my Patreon member has asked me to test it to see if it can remove bacteria, that's what we're going to do today. In order to test how well the pink stuff floor cleaner does remove bacteria, what I'm going to do is take a Petri dish just like this guy here and label it A, B, and C. I'm going to take some sterile swabs and I'm going to swab my floor. I'll probably do my kitchen and my bathroom. I'm going to place those samples in the section labeled B for before. Then I'm going to mop using the pink stuff floor cleaner, swab the area again, and place the samples in the section labeled A for after. So we'll be able to see how much bacteria is on my floor before and after cleaning with the pink stuff floor cleaner. Let's read how we're supposed to use the floor cleaner. Directions for use. Dilute for large areas. No need to rinse. Use on floors, walls, tile, and paintwork. Use 2 capfuls, which is 60 milliliters, into 5 liters of water. I will adjust the amounts according to how much water I have in those tanks. So let's see how well the pink stuff all-purpose floor cleaner removes bacteria, even though it makes no claims to be able to do so, because my Patreon member asked me to test it from my floors. Now for some results. Sample 1 from the kitchen floor. In the before section, we can see a good amount of bacteria, some different types as well. And in the after section, we can see a visible decrease in bacteria. There's still a little bit hanging around, but we most certainly can see a visible decrease. Sample 2, kitchen floor. In the before section, we can see a good amount of bacteria. In the after section, again, we can see a visible decrease in bacteria. Sample number 1 from the bathroom floor. In the before section, we have a good amount of bacteria. In the after section, there is a huge visible decrease in bacteria. Sample number 2 from the bathroom floor. In the before section, we could see some bacteria. And in the after section, again, we're seeing a visible decrease in bacteria. So overall, the pink stuff all-purpose floor cleaner did a pretty good job at decreasing the bacteria in my kitchen floor and in my bathroom floor, even though it makes no claims to be able to do so. Now, aside from the bacteria and just doing like a visible inspection of the cleaning, the floor pads were really dirty, so it did do a great job at picking up the dirt and grime on my floors. So this is a no rinse formula. I did notice it was a little sudsy when I was mopping, but since it is a no rinse formula, I did not rinse. No, nowhere on the bottle does it mention what the scent is, I don't think. I didn't see it on here, unless I missed it. It has kind of a fruity scent, not citrus, not like a lemon or orange citrus scent, but like a mix between a cleaning product and Fruity Pebbles. Definitely has a fruity scent. The scent did not linger in the home at all, so after I used the product and after I mopped, I didn't smell it at all. You just smell it most certainly when you open up the product. So overall, I think the Pink Stuff All-Purpose Floor Cleaner did a good job at cleaning my floors. It definitely removed the visible dirt, and I could see that from what was caught on the mop pad, as well as what was rinsed down my toilet. And from looking at the bacteria test, it definitely did decrease the bacteria on my floors. Now, I'm not someone who really cares if there's a lot of bacteria on my floor. It's a floor. I don't have any crawling babies in my home. We're not immunocompromised at all, so it doesn't really bother me if there is some bacteria on the floor, and I actually expect some level of bacteria to be on the floor, but it's good to know that the Pink Stuff Floor Cleaner can remove some bacteria, and it does a good job of removing the dirt and grime. So I want to thank my Patreon member who asked me to test this product. I hope these results are helpful to you. So if there is a product that you would like me to test, do me a favor and put in the comments section, and I will add it to my viewer suggestion list. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. Have yourselves a great day.